How would you like instant access to over 300 video tutorials? How would you like all your marketing questions answered, but access only the information you need when you need it? If you find yourself jumping around from one technique to another, getting distracted by every new shiny object, overthinking and not actually doing, limited by the techie stuff, or simply looking for someone to help you, then this is for you. Newbie Lessons is your personal digital library packed with over 300 videos you can access anytime you want, including how to get a domain name, set up web hosting and change name servers, how to set up a PayPal, ClickBank, JVZoo, and Warrior Plus account to sell your products and services online, how to install WordPress, customize your theme, add posts, pages, and more to build your online presence, how to create squeeze pages with opt-in forms with Aweber and GetResponse to build your mailing list, how to edit HTML files and write high-converting sales pages so you can sell anything, how to set up social media accounts on YouTube, Hootsuite, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Facebook, and Twitter to get free traffic, plus so